guys have raised your bar on fitness. Oh, Darren Espanto is here. Darren, congratulations on finishing your 5K run. That's a great pace for him. Almost 7 minutes per kilometer.
Good morning everyone.
What a wow morning. Hello, good morning.
Yes, grabe, for the record, ito na yung pinakamaaga naming pagbati sa mga supporters at 3 a.m.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Wow morning. Gano'n ka-excited ba kayo na nandito kayo at 3 a.m.?
Yes, una, very excited of course kasi first Chowking event to na that involves running. So it's very amazing, kakaiba, and in time for celebration of Chowking sa 40 years. Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito, and of course excited ako dito sa mga katakbuhan ko sa 10K run.
How about you pa? Ikaw, may mensahe ka ba sa mga kasama mo mamaya tumakbo? Ayan, marami ba tayo nasa 10K run ngayon? Wow, madami. So kayo mga kasabayan namin, tulong-tulong lang tayo sa daan.
Wow morning to each other.
Pag nakikita nyo mabagal ako, tulak nyo na lang ako konti. Mga pasimpleng tulak. Oh guys you have permission pwede yung itulak mamaya si Paolo.
Parang iba tayo. Anong preparation, kung if any, yung ginawa ninyo for your 10K run today? Aside from waking up
this early. Galing kami ng Cebu actually, nag-taping ng our newest teleserye na Alibay. Yes, and now, of course, preparation. Every Sunday kasi nag-run kami. Every Sunday, so parang nakakatuwa lang na yung gusto namin ginagawa is also part ng Chowking ngayon.
And diba exciting kasi nag-run na kayo every Sunday, tapos ngayon ka-run niyo ba ang family?
Yes! Chow fam!
May nabasa ako sa X na yung iba daw dito mga first time runner.
Welcome to the running community. So, speaking of the family here in our Chow Fun Run 2025, as you can see, medyo iba-iba tayo ng suot na t-shirts as of the moment. So, may I know what shirt you chose and why you chose that?
Ang shirt ko is halo-halo, of course. Super sangkap, halo-halo.
Si Paolo nang may alam mo.
Halo-halo. Marami rin pa. Marami rin.
Good morning.
Okay. So with that, I think we can check. Yes, kasi ang runners natin, kanya-kanya, unlike Paolo, sila namili talaga. Yes. Anong gusto nila. So, check natin.
Ako kasi pumili. Sabi ko, eto tayo, halo-halo.
High five. Wow! Alam niyo na.
Okay, so at this point, we're gonna have a special cheer rally.
Yes, alamin natin kung anong mga team at t-shirt ang pinagpipili nila. Daming team. Let's go, Mings.
Okay, so sina Kim and Pao will help us out in our cheer rally. We have a total of 4 shirts. May kanya-kanyang representations yan. We have Shopao, we have Laureate, we have Chow Fan, and we have Halo. So isa-isahin natin yan Once Kim and Pao call on your category, I need you to make your loudest noise. Okay, man? Okay, sino dito ang mga team Shopao? Parang katulad mo na ito po yung viewer.
Okay, ito na talaga ba? Isa pa.
Isingin natin pa. Ay! Again. Bigyan naman natin ng konting lakas yung rally natin. Sasabayan ko yun. Sino dito ang team Shopao? your categories very well. But now we'll have a Group B with Kim Pao on.
Yes, mga kaibigan, that's Darren, Kim Chiu, and Pao Avellino. Magkasunod sa finish line sa Chow Fun Run. Sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, ay nakita din natin si Kai Montinola. Pero yes, Chowking Fun Run activity ay napaka-successful with all these people na nakipag fun run with Kim Chiu, Darren, at ang bagong Chowking endorser, bagong Chowking endorser na sina Paulo Avellino. And yes, kasama na dito sa Chowking family ay si Miss Kai Montinola, mga kaibigan.